Good morning. This is Frank, the Morning Quick Shot, brought to you by Trade Stalkers and Ninja Pro Traders. It's the 8th of June, about 7 o'clock Central Standard Time. For the next 3 to 5 minutes, we're going to give you targets to the upside, targets to the downside, and some possible areas of consolidation for today. So let's take a look last night. Looks like we had an open at 21.10.25. We're currently overnight highs right here at the 21.14.50, and then we had overnight lows at 21.06.50. As you can see, we opened here. We just drifted right back into one of our support zones yesterday at this low overnight low at 2106.50. Then we just kind of worked our way back up to the 24-hour VWAP, consolidated sideways, waited for the European market open, came back up and retested this 24-hour, and then we worked our way back up to our first initial target zone this morning at 2114.75 area. So what we're looking for any kind of news this morning. We're not sure what's going to happen based on that, but let's take a look here. We've broke the 24-hour, we've retested it. We're above fib support, so we're looking for this to pull back to the bottom of the zone to this top right here about 2112. Then we'd like to see the drive all the way up into this next zone for 2117, 2118 area. Remember yesterday's top 2117.50, prior highs of 2118. So be watching for that today. Okay. Now we get through this loan, look for it to pull back and retest, probably around 26, maybe even down to the 21.14 and consolidate in this area unless the bulls really step in. And in which case, once we pull back to the bottom of this zone, be looking for a drive all the way up into the next zone. Now, it's probably not going to go straight there. It's been a long time since we've been up in this area, so be cautious as we drive up into this area, all right? But targets up into the next 21, 22 area to 24, 25 area. Look for some pullback again to retest possibly the 24-hour VWAP as it moves up and our fib support. So look for reversal up here at some point. Now, if it comes back and tests the 24-hour VWAP, then look for it to move possibly up into this area. This would be a really, really good day. And I figure today's top is around 2130 if the bulls are fully in charge and the news is where they want it to be. Now let's take a look into the downside. If the bears try to step in, I'm sorry here. Oops. This market just charts don't want to agree. Here we go. All right, if we continue for the night, we're probably going to go up and touch this 2117 to 2118. Look for some retracements as the bears are going to start stepping in and bringing this market back to us. If this fails at this zone and pulls back, if we don't get the retrace at 2114, look for this market to move all the way back down to 2110 and then consolidate in this area between the 2110, possibly drift down to the 2109. If by the time we get up into this area, the 24-hour VWAP is up here. All right, if we close below the 24-hour VWAP and come back and retest it, which would be around the 2112 to 2113 area, if we fail it, look for it to come down to the bottom of this zone, bottom of this consolidation area, and consolidate in here a little bit more, possibly pull all the way down into this 2106.50 overnight lows. Look for it to come back up and retrace to this 29 bottom of this zone, and then head straight back down, unless it breaks back above this 24-hour VWAP and fib support, then look for the drive on up and go back into the long scenario. However, if we fail this up in here and then drive right back down to this zone, look for a retest of the overnight low, and then right down into the next zone here into the 2100, which I expect to be where bears or bulls really step in and really try to hold this for a low today if we should happen to go that way. So be cautious. At this area here, look for possible reversals to move into a long mode and extend this run all the way up back up into this area. This is Frank. If you have any questions, contact me at tradestalkers.com and have a great day.